Hey guys, Gavin from Tembo Tusk here. Today we're going to be cooking some baked sweet potatoes. The ingredients you'll need is some sweet potatoes, some green onions, some jalapeno, some bacon, cheese, sour cream, a can of chili, salt and pepper, butter, and then you'll also need some tin foil to wrap those baked potatoes in so they cook really well. All right guys, first thing we're going to do is turn your Skottle on about medium to high heat. You don't want to burn the bacon because that's the first thing we're going to be cooking. For me, I like to cut my bacon in half. It just cooks a lot easier. And I think we're just gonna put all of it on, just so we have some snacks for a little bit later. All right. All right, so once the bacon's just about done, we're gonna leave the grease on. And we're actually gonna roll the potatoes in the grease and to keep them moisturized so they don't dry out, because we're actually gonna wrap them in tin foil as well to cook them. So it's a lot easier and they'll probably taste a lot better too. And you wanna move your bacon to the side. And they'll still cook over here. Move them all to one side actually. All right, so we're actually gonna take these potatoes and roll them in the grease. Be careful so you don't wanna splash any grease on you. I'm just gonna let them sit there while I grab each one of them. All right, so next we're gonna take out the bacon grease. It's going to be quite a bit of bacon grease still, but we're not going to take all of it out because we are going to cook the green onions and jalapeno. Bacon grease is probably the best oil, better than all the other ones. All right, so I'm just going to turn this back on a little bit, kind of medium to high, more medium than high. And then we're going to take our green onions and jalapeno mix, and we're just going to put that into the bacon grease. The rest of this stuff out. And this is actually going to go on to our baked potatoes after. Just going to cook these. Not too long either. Just want to get them nice, warm. All right, so next we're gonna actually put the water on. We have our steam tray as well, because we're gonna end up steaming this. Water spilling everywhere, oops. And then we're gonna take our lid, put that right on over it. Ooh, the potatoes are a little tall. I'm gonna crank up the heat on this one too, get that water boiling. All right, so now that the potatoes are cooked, we're gonna actually take this chili, open it and put it on the Skottle itself. And then while this chili is cooking, we're actually gonna add this as well. The green onions and jalapeno. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna dice these pieces of bacon up, and then we'll be ready to go. All right, so now that they're done, and this chili is nice and hot, we opened up our potatoes, and you can add whatever toppings you want next. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this chili in here, and we're just gonna pour it right on over that, sprinkle our bacon bits on it, and we're good to go.